Hey everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I created this winter forest design using one of my favorite winter picks. My favorite is this gray here. It's from Morgan Taylor. It's called Let There Be Moonlight, and I'm also using Essie Blanc in this design as well. I have 2 coats of Essie Blanc on all my nails except for my middle finger, which I have 2 coats of Let There Be Moonlight. I'm going to use this WInstonia brush here for this design. It's my favorite detail brush, and I'll have a link to it and all the products that I'm using down below. As you might have noticed, I have 2 different colors of gray. To get the lighter gray, I just used this gray polish and mixed it with a little bit of white just to have a little bit of gray toned variation. So I'm just going to show you how I mixed it here. I added a dollop of each and mixed it well together with my brush and then wiped any excess off, and now I'm ready to paint my design. So now that I have this lighter gray color, I'm going to come in and do this triangle tree. You want to paint these on a little bit smaller than you think because they do get bigger as you paint them. So you just want to be careful about the size that you're doing. So I'm just going to finish filling that in and then go around the edges to make it nice and crisp and then do the stem. And then I'm just going to come in with that gray polish all by itself. And I'm going to do this other tree here at the base on the other corner. I'm going to make the base of this tree a little bit more rounded than the other one just to give it a little bit of variety. And then go back at the end and just smooth out any of the edges just to make it look a little more crisp. And then I mix some more paint and I'm just coming in and doing a little tree on the side here just to continue on with that pattern. I started creating another tree at the top here, and I just did these lines, and then I kind of squared it up, and you'll see here how I finished it, and I wasn't happy with it. So I didn't record this part, but I just wanted to show you that I did just come in and kept filling that in with more lines to make it look like a more rustic tree. And then I didn't film this portion, but I came in with my brush and did a few small details which really make a big difference on this design. I added polka dots to the trees and then polka dots in between the trees as well, and a little bit of flowers, and you can see that in the picture there, and just add those. So you can see the details here on that triangle tree. I did some straight dots going across, and then the darker tree I did some lighter dots. And once that's dried, you can come in with your fast dry top coat. I'm using Glisten and Glow, and that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and if you recreate this design, use hashtag #InspiredByGoPolished on Instagram so I can see it. I hope you guys have a good day, and we'll see you next time. Bye!